Hello everybody, this is Johnny. Let's make a game together. For this game, you will need some paper. Colored paper would be good today. Something to write with, some playing cards, and you should just pull out 2 through 6 and the aces. And that seems to be it. Oh, it'd be helpful to have a bear as well. So this game is called Lucky 13. So let's take one sheet of the paper and write that in the middle. And I'm going to use fancy writing today. So I'm going to make an L, a U, a C, a K, and a Y. And let's make the number 13 as well. The top bar, the sides, maybe a base, and then the 3. Lucky 13. So far, so good. Now we have to make this paper lined. So I want you to think about the middle of the page right now. And let's draw a line down the middle and try not to mess up our fancy words. And let's try to do a line across this part too, middle. So all the way across, stopping when you need to, looking all great. That looks good. Now let's add 2 more lines. Let's start up here about halfway between and draw a line coming down all the way to the bottom. And over here about halfway between, make a line going all the way down. We're mostly done with our game board. The only thing is, we need to have 2 of these. So on this page, let's do the same thing. About halfway down the middle, draw a line, so halfway along this edge, and then halfway across as well. Does not have to be perfect. Do your best. Again, 2 more lines. 1, and another about halfway. 2. Now we have our game board. Let's see. Lucky 13. We need 2 players to play this game. Today, Rolf will be playing, and Ava will be playing. And the goal of the game is to make 13 in a column or a row using the numbers on the cards, adding them up. So Ava goes first. Ava turns over a 2. She decides to play it right here. Now, there's not any card right now that Rolf could turn to make it so that he would win by making 13. But Rolf turns over a 3, and Rolf plays that here. So 2 and 3 is 5. There's no number 8, so we're okay right now. Ava's turn. Ava turns over a 5, and Ava's going to play that number here. So we have 3 and 5 is 8. We have 2 and 3 is 5. So that's Ava's turn. Let's see what Rolf turns over. Rolf turns over a 6. 2, 3, and 6 make 11. 8 and 6 makes 14. That's not very good. So let's go ahead and play that up here. So now it's Ava's turn. Ava turns over a card, and Ava turns over a 5. Now if we look on the board, where could we play this 5? Oh, Ava could play it here. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Ava wins. This is the game Lucky 13. And for this game, what you need is some paper, something to write with, some people to play with, some playing cards, and maybe a bear. Hope you enjoy it.